I want to talk about the main topic today is Agile implementation of Aras PLM. We had a team center previously. We were supporting that from the perspective of core devices internally within Microsoft called the Windows Devices Group. And then quickly circling back to 2014, that's when we had finalized the acquisition of Nokia Device and Services. They were primarily using via DASO, and we basically had multiple systems that were supporting product data management. That's the very first challenge that we saw. And then when we really started looking at opportunities in aligning the business process and systems, we really felt that it was an opportunity for us to really start looking at the centralized set of capabilities. When we look at capabilities, again, people and the processes that they follow, the systems that we had, and the information that was flowing through those systems, we had in front of us a great opportunity. We were looking at about 7 or 8 product lines that were going to be aligned. We wanted to quickly get onto the situation where we are going to be standardizing these processes, where we are going to be standardizing the data flow, the digital thread that's going across from the perspective of engineering going all the way to supply chain. So what were the primary objectives with which we went about this implementation? Acceleration of design collaboration. When we say that, it's not only internally within Microsoft, it's collaborating with the external partners as well. Both those were primary objectives. How do we really streamline the processes? How do we really streamline the systems, the collaboration capabilities from the systems, both internally within Microsoft and extending beyond the partners and the vendors that we have? Establishing the core foundation was obviously the basic thing around data and the processes. As I said earlier, 7 different product lines, 7 different processes, and multiple systems, legacy systems that were customized to the extent that we could not get to the latest version available in the market. So that was another opportunity for us. And then at that point in time, we had multiple manufacturing models. We wanted the PLM system to be supporting multiple manufacturing models as well. End of the day, traceability of data, be able to drive that engineering bomb going all the way from what was designed going all the way to what was built and serviced. So we wanted to have a system that could track that as well. By doing all this, what is it that we really wanted to achieve? First, improved product quality. And then the second main objective is to really have the seamless customer experience. In our case, we look at the internal engineering teams, the partner teams, the collaborating teams that we have in front of us, how they are having the experience with the PLM system, how they are able to launch the products and services faster. That was the second objective. Accelerating innovation with Agile, there were 3 main things again that we were focused on. We wanted to be able to deliver working software on a continuous, iterative, and an incremental basis. We had that opportunity. And iterative improvements. So 2014, we started this effort with the acquisition of Nokia Device and Services. We took 3 main areas from the perspective of how we defined the core set of objectives, as we discussed earlier. And then we did a very detailed evaluation of the vendors. We were able to square in on Aras Innovator as the platform because of 3 main reasons. Scalability, agility, and the speed at which we are able to release the product. So that was the main reason why we chose Aras Innovator. We are in the process of implementing. We have done the first phase of implementation within 8 months. So not this year before last, 2016, we launched the product, minimum viable product of the Aras Innovator platform within 8 months of the start of the effort. This is considered to be one of the fastest implementation in the industry.